Welcome to our channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a celestial neighbor that's shrouded in mystery and intrigue: Venus. Think of it. A planet so bright it can cast shadows, yet so scorching hot it could melt lead. Let's talk planetary twins. Venus, often called Earth's sister planet, shares some striking similarities in size, mass, and even basic composition. But here's where the sibling rivalry kicks in. Venus's atmosphere is a chaotic mess compared to Earth's, a dense, carbon dioxide-rich shroud that's all about trapping heat, more like scorching temperatures and volcanic plains. Venus marches to the beat of its own cosmic drum, and by that I mean it spins backward. We call this retrograde rotation, folks. Imagine this. On Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Ever wish there were more hours in the day? Well, on Venus, you'd get your wish, and then some. This planet takes a leisurely 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. Let that sink in. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Talk about a time warp. Venus is a cautionary tale of what happens when the greenhouse effect goes into overdrive. Its thick atmosphere is like a heat-trapping blanket, composed mainly of carbon dioxide with a dash of sulfuric acid clouds for good measure. Sunlight pierces through, but the heat gets trapped, leading to a runaway greenhouse effect that sends temperatures skyrocketing. Venus is where dreams of a pleasant vacation go to melt. Thanks to that runaway greenhouse effect we talked about, surface temperatures on Venus average a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 475 degrees Celsius. Spacecraft that have landed on Venus haven't lasted long before succumbing to the intense heat and pressure. Venus stands out, or perhaps I should say stands alone, in our solar system for its lack of bling. That's right, folks, no moons, no rings orbiting this celestial body. While planets like Jupiter and Saturn boast their own mini entourages of satellites, Venus prefers a minimalist approach. Venus is the ultimate master of disguise, cloaked in a perpetual veil of thick clouds. These clouds are so dense that they reflect most of the sunlight that hits them. But those clouds also keep Venus's surface features shrouded in secrecy. Using radar, we've discovered that Venus is a hotbed of volcanic activity. Its surface is littered with volcanic plains, towering mountains, and vast lava flows. Some scientists even believe that Venus may still be volcanically active today, with eruptions shaping and reshaping its surface. If you thought the heat on Venus was intense, wait till you hear about the pressure. At the surface, the atmospheric pressure is about 90 times greater than what we experience here on Earth. It's enough to crush most spacecraft, which is why exploring the surface of Venus is such a daunting challenge. We've covered a lot of ground about Venus, but one big mystery remains: its incredibly slow and backward rotation. Some suggest that Venus might have been slammed by a massive object early in its history, throwing its spin off kilter. The answer, when we find it, could shed light on the evolution of planets and the forces that shape them. So, there you have it. 10 mind-blowing facts about Venus that reveal just how much we still don't know about our celestial neighbor. Until next time, keep looking up and keep asking questions.